Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel English Express. I am planning a picnic with my family. I am planning a picnic with my family. We choose a nice place for the picnic. We choose a nice place for the picnic. Everyone is excited about the picnic. Everyone is excited about the picnic. We decide the picnic date in advance. We decide the picnic date in advance. My mother plans the picnic food. My mother plans the picnic food. We make a list of picnic items. We make a list of picnic items. I clean the picnic basket. I clean the picnic basket. We check the weather before the picnic. We check the weather before the picnic. I inform my friends about the picnic. I inform my friends about the picnic. We decide the time to leave. We decide the time to leave. I charge my mobile phone. I charge my mobile phone. We prepare snacks at home. We prepare snacks at home. My sister helps in preparation. My sister helps in preparation. We arrange games for the picnic. We arrange games for the picnic. I pack extra water bottles. I pack extra water bottles. We prepare sandwiches and fruits. We prepare sandwiches and fruits. I keep napkins and tissues ready. I keep napkins and tissues ready. We plan fun activities for the picnic. We plan fun activities for the picnic. My father checks the car. My father checks the car. We decide what clothes to wear. We decide what clothes to wear. I keep sunscreen and cap ready. I keep sunscreen and cap ready. We prepare everything one day before. We prepare everything one day before. Everyone helps in picnic preparation. Everyone helps in picnic preparation. We are ready for the picnic. We are ready for the picnic. We go to the picnic spot by car. We go to the picnic spot by car. We leave early in the morning. We leave early in the morning. We start our journey happily. We start our journey happily. We listen to songs while traveling. We listen to songs while traveling. We enjoy the road journey. We enjoy the road journey. We stop for tea on the way. We stop for tea on the way. Everyone talks and laughs. Everyone talks and laughs. We follow traffic rules. We follow traffic rules. We travel safely. We travel safely. Children enjoy the journey. Children enjoy the journey. We take photos on the way. We take photos on the way. We reach the picnic spot on time. We reach the picnic spot on time. We reach the place together. We reach the place together. We carry a picnic mat. We carry a picnic mat. We reach the park happily. We reach the park happily. The place looks beautiful. The place looks beautiful. We park the car properly. We park the car properly. We start our picnic joyfully. We start our picnic joyfully. We spread the picnic mat. We spread the picnic mat. We sit together on the grass. We sit together on the grass. We eat delicious food. We eat delicious food. We share food with everyone. We share food with everyone. Children play games. Children play games. We play badminton and football. We play badminton and football. We sing songs together. We sing songs together. We dance and enjoy. We dance and enjoy. We take many photos. We take many photos. We talk and laugh a lot. We We talk and laugh a lot. We enjoy nature. We enjoy nature. We feel relaxed and happy. We feel relaxed and happy. We play card games. We play card games. We drink cold juice. We drink cold juice. We walk around the park. We walk around the park. We enjoy the fresh air. We enjoy the fresh air. We watch birds and trees. We watch birds and trees. We click group photos. We click group photos. We rest after eating. We rest after eating. We help each other. We help each other. We clean the place after eating. We clean the place after eating. We throw garbage in the dustbin. We throw garbage in the dustbin.